Hello everyone. Today in English we are going to start our term 1 as we have completed all the work of our unit test 1. We have completed our English literature, English grammar and everything is done. So instead of wasting time, I am going to start a new chapter of term 1, that is chapter number 4 of Honeysuckle book, English literature, Honeysuckle book, chapter number 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla, given on page number 45. So everyone open your book, Honeysuckle, chapter number 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So by the heading only you can understand this chapter is about space shuttle and everything about space and Kalpana Chawla. So it is going to be a very good chapter and knowledgeable chapter for you. So be careful and listen all these things very carefully, everyone. So first of all I am going to tell you about Kalpana Chawla. You should know who was Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but became a US citizen after her marriage to an American flight instructor, Jane Perry Harrison, in aerospace engineering. So she was married to an American. So after her marriage to American US citizen, she also became an Indian American. And his husband's name was Jane Perry Harrison. After qualifying as a pilot, she applied to NASA for a space shuttle program. So she was very intelligent girl and she was born in Karnal, Haryana in 1961. 1st July 1961. So you can write down her birth date also, 1st July 1961. And her husband's name was Jane Perry Harrison and he was an American. Some more things about her I will tell you. She was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 2003, Kalpana Chawla was one of the 7 crew members who died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, when the spacecraft disintegrated during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Chawla was awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, and several state universities and institutions have been named in her honor. She is regarded as a national hero in India. So we will read about Kalpana Chawla in this chapter. So in your book, in the starting of the chapter, it is given, in 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So she had taken 2 missions, but first mission was successful, but the second one, sadly we can say, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So we will read about her in this chapter. First of all, on the next page you can see page number 46, a news report is given. A news report is given. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. Breaks into flames. What does it mean? टुकड़े टुकड़े जलकर राख हो गया. Space Shuttle Columbia. So it was the heading of the newspaper. So I am going to read it properly. You listen this and you can see the picture which is displaying on this screen. In an unprecedented Space tragedy. US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing trip on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So see this paragraph. This paragraph is really very emotional. In this it is given that US Space Shuttle Columbia was carrying Indian-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, and it streaked over Texas. Texas is like a city in United States towards its landing trip. It was landing strip on Saturday. The day was Saturday and it was 1st February 2003, killing all the 7 on board, in which all the 7 people were killed. The space shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 200,000 feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So you can see the speed was very fast. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003. So it was taken off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days. How many days? For 16 days it was in the orbit of the Earth. It was orbiting the Earth for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments. How many experiments? 80 experiments. Please underline 16 days. For 16 days it was in the orbit of the Earth and 80 experiments they had conducted there before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight. Columbia was the name of the space shuttle, and this was about 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. That shuttle was good for 100 flights, but on the 28th one only, this was the 28th space flight of Columbia, it was broken into pieces. So this is the news report given on page number 46, and underline the tough words, whatever you want to underline the tough words, and also underline 16 days, 18 experiments, 1st February 2003 Saturday, killing all 7 on board. Everything, whatever you find very important, underline all these things.